If you're drawing leaves like this, stop, because I'm gonna show you a much better way. Okay, so grab your ink pens, and first you're gonna draw the leaf shapes just like you usually do. And if you're feeling fancy, you can do this like little folds like this, and kind of like, you know, it makes it interesting. And then instead of drawing the middle line like a full line, you can do like this little dashes like that. And for the texture, you're basically gonna hatch on each side of each leaf, drawing these short lines like this. You're always moving from shadow to light. And notice that I'm not letting these lines touch the middle line or the outline of the leaf. You're kind of basically leaving like a white little space on the edge. And just trust me, it's gonna look really good when we're done. And yeah, you're basically gonna be doing this over and over, making the inner parts of the leaves a little darker and leaving like the main like parts like lighter. Do you see what I'm doing? Like, I'm doing the outside and the inside a little bit darker. And yeah, that creates this amazing texture. You see what it's looking like, and this is the results. If you do a